Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. So far we have studied the consumer protection, measures of consumer protection. Now I'm going to teach you system certifying weights and measures and purity of the goods. Government of India established ISI, means Indian Standard of Institution, in 1947 to regulate the quality. Now since 1986 it is known as BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. The goods that meet the described standard and quality are allowed to use ISI mark. Now students, you know that AG mark, the agriculture products like forest products, horticultures and animal products are given the mark AG mark. This implemented under the Agriculture Product on Act 1937. This scheme is run by the Directorate of Marketing Intelligence (DMI) in the Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India, which grant permission to trader to use AG mark. If the consumer has any doubt regarding the quality of the mark, he can contact to the regional office of the BIS. Now students, you know that for purchasing gold hallmark, clear, even the gold ornaments BSI mark, BIS mark along with the purity number 916, which means quality purity of gold is generated by certain parameters. These are BIS mark. Gold number 916 depicts 22 karat gold. Hallmark logo is given by the central government, which shows the year of hallmark, and J means the jewelry manufactured in 2008. Mark of FPO, food product order, is used for jam, fruit juice, fruits, vegetables packed in the tin. BIS follow textile, chemical, insecticide products of rubber, cement, electronic gadgets to use BISI mark. Wool mark, it is given to woolen products and the dress. MPO for the meat, it given to meat, mutton product made for them. Students, MPO for the mutton and everything. Okay, non-veg goods. HACCP means hazard analysis critical control point. It is given to the processed good, food, pickles and everything. Now ECO, it is given to the soap, detergent, paper, lubricating oil, packing material, color, chemicals, power coating, battery, cosmetics goods used in the place of the wood, leather, plastic product by ISI, presently called BIS. So certain parameters given to you, hallmark, AG mark, ISI, that you have to check and you have to purchase that product. Now organization at international level. Two organizations working at the international level for standardization of the products. ISO, full form International Standardization Organization. Its headquarters is in Geneva. It was established in 1947. Its main function to provide certification of the standard according to international standard. Series of ISO 9000 is given for the environmental management system by international organization, which is certification of officers, institution and having high quality. Codex Alimentarius Commission CAC. This organization was set up to certify edible products, means which you can eat. It is the International Commission for Food. In 1963, Food Agriculture Organization FAO and World Health Organization established it. Its headquarters is located in the Rome, capital of Italy. Its main function to develop good food standard, guidelines and code of practice for the production and the international trade in food products like milk, milk products, meat, fish. The job work of contacting ISO is done by the BIS in India, while Director General of Health Service contacts CAC. Who can file a complaint where? Who can file a complaint? First, a consumer himself. Second, central government, state government, government of union territories. Third, consumer societies. Fourth, a representative of consumer on behalf of consumer. Fifth, any member of the family person who has purchased a product or service which is permission may file a case if there is a shortage of material or service may lodge a complaint. If the producer or a trader neither find any solution and not show any preparedness to find solution of the true, correct and clear complaint, in that case, consumer and his family members may file a case in local district forum, state commission and national commission. Simply if the trader is not giving any compensation, then that person can file a complaint. They may complain in supply court, office of metrology, consumer court, consumer society, collector office. The consumer can file complaint if the item or service is faulty, if the goods are not proper, deficient, or is not the accordance with the agreements or prevalent law. Thus, the consumer file a case. If the goods adulterate, deficient, then the consumer can file a complaint. How to file a complaint? First point, a victim may file a complaint in a simple or clear language, either typed or handwritten, through email. If the victim goes to the court through lawyer, then he needs affidavit. Name of applicant, address, contact number should be there in the application. Second, write a detailed description of complaint and give the reasons for complaining clearly. Okay, properly write it down everything, complaint and reasons for complaint. Third, enclose the copy of supportive evidence. If any evidence is there, so enclose it and document related to accusations. Never give the original evidence. Next, enclose the bill, receipt of payments. If the payment has been done by the check, attach the counter or give the detail of the check. Enclose the copy of conditions mentioned by seller, copy of the advertisements, pamphlets, prospectus. Complaint may be lodged in the consumer forum by submitting appropriate fee as per the amount of compensation claim. Enclose everything. Consumer may lodge a complaint within 2 years of emergence of the region of the complaint. Any consumer may call the Gujarat State Helpline toll number 1800-233-0222 or national level helpline number 1800-114-000 for the consumer related complaint as well as for special information about law and guidance. Now exercise. Discuss the reasons for price rise in detail. Students, this question is very important. This will ask in a section D for 4 marks. So reasons, that's on the page number same chapter, page number 146. So total here 8 reasons are given to you. So you have to write down at least 6. Measures for controlling price rise, page number 148. Here total the reasons that given to you, page number 148. In that total 6 reasons, 6 measures given to you. You have to write it down 2 or 3. Rights and duties that given to you, page just now I explained to you. Page number 152 rights and page number 153 duties are given to you that you have to write it down. Provisions of consumer courts, page number 154. 3-tier court, district forum, state commission and the national commission that you have to write it down. Describe national, international institution of the quality standard. Page number 156 and page number 156 for the national and 157 ISO and CAC for the international standards. Which precaution should be undertaken while purchasing. Okay, so that is the rights of the consumers, everything, all the precautions that you have to take for the purchasing goods. Price rise is beneficial as well as hindrance in the economic development. So that you can able to write it down this one. Price rise is a hindrance and the Black money is one of the main reasons for this one that you also find out from the textbook. Public distribution is controlling the price, so you can able to write it down from here, page number 155. Clarify, describe the reasons of consumer exploitation, that's given. Consumer exploitation, page number 150, in that 4 points given to you. Role of consumer societies in providing consumer protection. So consumer society, page number 155. B, consumer society, that given to you. And who can file a complaint? Describe the information included a complaint, page number 157. Who can file a complaint? You can write it down. Why it is necessary to control the price? So it is page number 147. All the points given to you. 2 points, that 148. Describe the effects of price rise on capital investment. So only that capital investment point you have to write down, page number 149. Third one, role of price mechanism in the price regulation, page number 149. In that the fourth one, price mechanism. Now fifth point, price mechanism. Who is consumer? Consumer can anybody. Consumer can himself a consumer, he can purchase the goods from the this one, okay, page number 151. Second last paragraph, he purchased the goods in exchange of money, that person is called the consumer. And give information about ISO, ECO, FPO, AGMARK, that given page number 156 and 157. Now MCQ. First, government decide the price of which products? So answer is C, petrol and diesel. Second, increase by government in supply of what leads to price rise? Answer is D, money. Due to the prediction that prices are going to rise in the future, what do the people do? That's hoarding. People will start do hoarding. Answer is D. 15th March is celebrated as which day in India? Answer is B, World Consumer Day. Which organization has been set up by the central government for consumer related law? Answer is D, Consumer Protection Commission. Which periodical is published for consumer education and awareness? Answer is A, Insight. Which is the voluntary organization regulating the quality of edible items? Answer is B, CAC.